GK question and answer you tell.
Yes, mommy.
Which is the tallest animal on the earth?
Giraffe.
Which animal has a trunk on trust?
Elephant.
What is the name of our planet?
Earth.
How many hours are in a day?
24 hours.
Which animal calls ship of the desert?
Camel.
Which is the fastest animal in the world?
Leopard and cheetah.
Which animal has the longest memory?
Dolphin.
Which bird cannot fly?
Or sheep.
We get solar energy from?
Sun.
Which animal give use wool?
Sheep.
Which animal is called king of the jungle?
Lion.
Which is the festival of colors?
Holi.
Which is the festival of light?
Diwali.
Which flower grows in water?
Lotus.
Which fruit give use oil?
Coconut.
Which animal catch the mice?
Cat.
Which animal has no brain and heart?
Jellyfish.
Which fruit has seeds outside of it?
Strawberry.
Which bird grows early in the morning?
Hawk.
Which is the biggest sea animal?